Good afternoon and welcome to this parallel session on Cluster 3, Civil Security for Society. There are currently several interesting funding opportunities open in this cluster, and we will see which ones in the next 25 minutes. The Civil Security for Society work program is divided into 6 destinations or chapters, ranging from fighting crime and terrorism through securing Europe's borders or securing its critical infrastructures, one destination on cybersecurity or disaster resilient society, and research and innovation. There are a total of 25 topics for a budget of 193 million euros available. Like the other clusters in Pillar 2, Cluster 3 also has to contribute to different policies and priorities. It contributes to the Sustainable Development Goals, especially here SDG 9, 11 and 16, as well as different policies and strategies such as the Security Union Strategy, the Cybersecurity Act, or the disaster risk reduction policies. Let's go now to the different destinations, and I will show you the topics in each that are open. Destination 1, fighting crime and terrorism, is the biggest destination with the most topics. And one of its main aim is to contribute significantly to the Security Union strategy, but also to the counterterrorism agenda or the new pact on migration and asylum. And the different keywords you see refer to the open topics we will see now. In this table, you see the 8 open topics. You have the title on the left, then the type of action, either research and innovation action or innovation action, then the budget estimated per project and the number of projects that will be funded. And the first topic is about mitigating new threats and adapting investigation strategies in the era of Internet of Things. The second topic is an open topic on forensics, and you should address this fast evolving domain. Then the third topic is about lawful evidence collection in online child sexual abuse investigations, including undercover. Then one topic on radicalization and gender, so understand how gender influences radicalization and what are the motivation factors to prevent it. One topic on combating hate speech online and offline. Another open topic, but there you can choose what topic you want. You just have to really look that it's new, has not been covered by other topics before. Then one topic on CBRNE, detection capacities in small architecture. And CBRNE stands for chemical, biological, radionuclear, and explosive. And because lately there were many attacks on small architectures, it's why they put on this topic. The last one is tracing of cryptocurrency transactions related to criminal purposes, and it's how to avoid that criminals use cryptocurrencies for their illicit transactions. get an idea about what are security projects, how they are set up. Here is an example of a running project which is called Fermi Fake News Risk Mitigator. It started in October 2022 and will last for 3 years. It has 17 partners composed of universities, different companies, ministries of the interior, and police authorities. So you need really, in security topics, you need different kind of partners. And I would like to stress here that, especially for destination fighting crime and terrorism, it is mandatory to have police authorities in the consortium. If you fail to have them, your proposal will be ineligible and you will not be evaluated. So it's really important to take this into account and integrate the mandatory entities into your consortium. Now let's move to destination 2, border management. Here it's about securing Europe's border, be it by air, land, or sea. You should also address the security union strategy and other policies. The keywords refer to the topics we will see in a minute. Here you have 5 open topics. Again, the first one is a research and innovation action, an open topic, which can be anything related to border management and should be new, something that has not been tackled before. If it's creative, disruptive, it's even better. The second topic is on interoperability for border and maritime surveillance and situational awareness. It's about command and control, data interpretation, that should be interoperable among different systems in use by authorities. And here you also need to have coast guards or control authorities in your consortium. The third topic is about advanced, user-friendly, compatible, secure identity and travel document management. It's for border checks and type 1 and type 2 travel credentials. Then topic 4, integrated risk-based border control that mitigates public security risk, reduces false positives, and strengthens privacy. Here you should develop a system that helps authorities to use the resources where they are most needed. And international transport operators are welcome, but not mandatory. Then topic 5, detection and tracking of illegal and trafficked goods. It should be non-invasive, non-disruptive, and also risk-based anticipations are asked for. If you have low environmental footprint and energy consumption addressed, it's a plus, but it's not mandatory. Let's move to destination 3, resilient infrastructure. Again, you should address the security union strategy. And let's see the 3 topics that are open in this destination. Again, you have an open topic that should address critical infrastructure protection and something that has not been addressed before. Topic 2 is about smart cities, security by design in the new smart cities for urban planning. And topic 3 here, data integration of smart cities is asked for. Automatic analysis of the data, you should raise alarms, and you should build an added value to the already available data. Then destination 4, increased cybersecurity. This is also a popular destination with currently 2 topics open. I put the topic identifier, the title, and the information here, not in a table, but all listed here. If you click on the hyperlink, you will get directly to the Funding and Tenders portal, where you get all the information, the topic text, how to submit all necessary documents you need to answer this topic. And topic 1 is entitled Approaches and Tools for Security in Software and Hardware Development and Assessment. It's an innovation action with 4 to 6 million euro per project, and 6 projects will be funded. Topic 2 is Post-Quantum Cryptography Transition. It's also an innovation action with 4 to 6 million euro per project, and here 4 projects will be funded. Swiss entities are normally eligible for participation in each of these. And here again an example of a running project called Certify in the area of cybersecurity. Certify stands for Active Security for Connected Devices Life Cycles. It started in October 2022 and will also last for 3 years. It is composed of 11 partners plus 2 associated partners. I chose this one because there are 2 Swiss partners, University of Zurich, and the company TrustSquare Service AG. Then let's move to destination 5, a disaster resilient society for Europe. Here you should address different policies and strategies, and the keywords refer again to the topics. And there are 5 open topics here. The first one is on prevention, detection, response and mitigation of chemical, biological and radiological threats to agricultural production, feed and food processing, distribution and consumption. And it is about feed and food intentional contamination from CBRNE agents. The second topic is again an open topic where you can choose anything related to disaster resilience that was not addressed before. Then topic 3, harmonized standard protocols for the implementation of alert and impact forecasting systems, as well as transnational emergency management in the areas of high impact weather, climatic and geological disasters. You should refer to ongoing projects such as, for instance, Go Beyond or MEDEFSA. You should harmonize protocols, look at novel technologies, and also Earth observation. The aim is to change standard operating procedures at EU level. Topic 4 is entitled High-tech capacities for crisis response and recovery after a natural technological disaster. Here it's about a holistic vision of crisis management. And topic 5 is about cost-effective sustainable technologies and crisis management strategies for radionuclear large-scale protection of population and infrastructures as after a nuclear blast or nuclear facility incident. Then we move to destination 6, the last destination, entitled Strengthen Security Research and Innovation it's a cross-cutting destination with the aim to improve uptake of innovation and make really cross-cutting research. And there are 2 open topics. The first one on demand-led innovation through public procurements. Here you should identify gaps and launch the pre-commercial procurement. And the second topic is entitled Accelerating Uptake Through Open Proposals for Advanced SME Innovation. And it's to accelerate the uptake of innovations by SMEs. So this was the presentation of the 25 currently open topics. And if you want to know more, there was an info day and a brokerage event on the 12th and the 13th of June. If you want to hear the recording or look at the presentations, click on the image when you receive the PDF of the presentation, and you will go directly to the website. And the brokerage event is finished, but still the platform remains open. You can upload your profile, you can register and look who else is interested in the same topic as you, and then contact persons, start discussing and networking. So if you are looking for partners or a consortium, it might be an interesting way of finding partners. As summary, the key facts is that Swiss entities are normally eligible for participation in all of the 25 topics which are just presented. All topics have a deadline for submission on 20 November 24, so there is still enough time to find partners and prepare the proposal. There are 25 open topics for a total budget of 193 million euros. If you have doubts, questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I would be happy to help you. Thank you for your attention.